This is not a product review, but it's mostly to understand how it can be mounted on DSLR and how easy it is to use on these parameters. And the way it works is you have a DSLR. I'm using my Nikon DSLR here, and you have the slot which goes into the camera and it can be mounted very easily. There's a screw to make it firm on the camera so that it doesn't slip away, and it comes with this cord. One part of the cord goes into the mic itself and you can screw it tight, and the other part goes into the camera itself. Now notice the moment it is connected to the camera, mic gets switched on. This is an extremely good design. It means that it is ready to be used instantly, and the moment you start recording, you are going to have the volume here. It comes with two buttons here. One of the buttons is for gain, and it has three setups depending upon how much of gain you want in the mic. And this button is a low cut filter and it has two settings. It basically changes the amount of depth that can come into your voice. This is a fairly simple device to use, and if you look at it from a new user's point of view, it is very easily adaptable. I didn't have any problem with this when I purchased it, and it was quite intuitive as a first time user. That is a good testament of a good design here. And we're going to be putting up more videos with this, and we're going to be testing this out. But for now, yeah, you can, if you are planning to buy um, a good cardioid mic, this could be one of the good examples you can have. This can be one of the good products you can have in the market. It is not a paid review, so there is no paid preference here. So I'll see you in next few videos. Till the time, have a good day. Bye bye.